Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. So today we are reviewing the U-shaped magnetic neck holder for a GoPro. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the box. As you see, this is a neck bracelet. I think it's very handy. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, here goes. Okay, so this is the GoPro. Okay, so we need another accessory, just a moment. Okay, so this is the accessories that need to come with it. Just come over here and we are closing this with a bolt. Okay. Now we put the GoPro here. We're sticking here the bolt, and we have our GoPro ready to use and to picture. And to be honest, this is super comfortable and super handy, and for the GoPro 12 it's very good. So I really recommend. Really good product, feels very comfortable. Here it goes. The link are in the description. You're welcome to join and subscribe our community for more and great reviews. Have a good one. Bye bye.